I try to make, bend my knee. I'm gonna try to bend my knee. Try natin bend my knee, guys. After kasi nito, magbabike ako, stationary bike. Unti-unti.
Okay. Glad to finally.
Last time I checked, you had to be American to be in CIA.
I was born in Boston.
While I'm
I
watching,
was 3.
So why did you leave the Eagles things for nothing?
My wife was Alice. She liked cheese.
pwede na to ganito muna. Masyado masyado pilit.
There you go. Trust me, I have.
Diba?
Yesterday afternoon,
Pwede na.
the school southwest of June wants to attend competition.
Kailan lang muna siya.
Conducted 17 students in California. The youngest was 8. Oldest 13. South Sudanese asked the U.S. for help with foreign administration policies and IA 20.
Hello guys! Ayan, sa therapy ko, pwede na ako mag-stationary bike. Kahapon, ginawa ko na to doon. And then, medyo mabigat na nga agad yung pinay ko eh. Pero before ako mag-stationary bike, ayun nga, kailangan i-bend ko muna yung knee ko bago ako mag-stationary bike. Ito medyo mabigat pa. Di ba? Kahapon, ginawa ko na to eh. Sa therapy ko. Yan. Medyo mabigat na to eh. Diba? Tapos, ito lang muna. Tsaka dito lang muna ako pwede mo po. Dito lang muna ako pwede mo po. Hindi pa ako pwede mo po dito. Kasi nga yung yung pelvis fracture ko nga. So, ngayon, meron akong x-ray sa April 6. Doon ko malalaman kung kailan ako pwede talaga mag-bike. Kasi medyo masakit pa ngayon sa pelvis ko eh. Alam naman na fracture yung pelvis ko, diba? So, huwag naman sana matagal. Sana huwag matagal. Yun lang. Pero at least kahit pa paano dito, nakakapag-stationary bike na ako, pwede na.